Big news. It came after the print deadline, so you won't hear about it on the Toronto newspaper websites until October. There was a surprise call-up to the NHL yesterday evening. Middleton recalled from the AHL. Don't pop the cork on your bottle of Veuve until you click on that link. Fuleman. Happy Friday, folks. The Maple Leafs head to Detroit tonight to kick off their final series of the NHL preseason. The game will be the Leafs' first visit to the new Little Caesars Arena. We will post the toppings lineups in the game preview later this morning. Meanwhile, the Toronto Marlies are starting up their preseason with the first of two back-to-back games in New York State against the Rochester Americans. Who will be waived next is the current big news story. Some players will have to go as they fight for the last few roster spots. Is Andreas Borgman going to make the team? What about Miro Aaltonen? Or will Mike Babcock ask for his regulars like Ben Smith? We will find out quite soon. Kissimmee, we had a roundtable where we talked about who will make the Leafs. I went all in on Borgman. He's going to assimilate his way onto the team. NHL News 48 seconds. You were on the ice, motionless. Do you remember getting up? No. Do you remember going to the dressing room? No. Do you remember coming back to the bench? No. Do you remember scoring a goal? No. Everyone else remembers you scoring that goal. I have no recollection of anything that happened before Game 6, Game 6, Game 7, 2 days afterwards. Watch that video. Not sure what's going on with Upshall being a late drop from the Canucks lineup. Rodin draws in. Just got a note it's not injury related. Mike Halford at Halfordson September 29, 2017. 5 times when the NHL didn't stick to sports. The Hockey News. Down goes Brown notes it's not new for players to not stick to sports. I stand with Joel Ward. An open letter. Fear the Finn. Should he take acne? Ward has my support. There is still progress to be made. Fear the Finn. Joel Ward may not kneel, but he's certainly going to speak.